Can you get a pimple in a ear? Yeah, look at this. It looks so weird, eh? Although it is uncommon, you can get a pimple in a ear, but this does not mean that it will necessarily appear at the entrance of your ear. They may occur deep inside your ear canal. With this type of infection, children are prone to it than adults are. The reason is that children like to use their fingernails to scratch inside the ear. Having a pimple in the ear can sometimes cause a sharp pain in your ear and very annoying. If it is in the ear of a canal, if it is in the ear canal, and a person may feel heat in the ear, and after a few days it is filled up with pus and starts draining. The more causes are, and there can be a variety of causes for having a pimple in the ear, which can include many times when you scratch the inside of your ear, your fingernails are not clean, so this can lead to an infection that turns into a pimple because they made an open scratch, allowing bacteria to get inside the scratch. Although this can happen to both adults and children, this is a more common cause of pimple in the ear in children. Having trapped sebum in a pore, and if it cannot be released, a pimple will happen. Having an infection of the skin pores inside your ear. Earwax. Having a causative organism such as Staphylococcus bacteria. The treatment, there are many different treatments that you can use to get rid of pimple in ear. If it is a mild or moderate case, you can take care of it at home. But if you have several of them and they are causing pain, you may need to see your dermatologist for treatment. If your dermatologist treats them, you may need surgery or injections. When doing a home treatment, you will need to be patient as it can take from 6 to 8 weeks before you see any results. For pimples in ear to totally clear up, it can take as long as 6 months or more. You need to make sure that you keep your hair clean and away from your ears to help prevent any breakouts after you get rid of the pimple. Make sure that you do not break it or open or pick at it, because this will cause the bacteria to spread to other parts of your ear or your body. In home treatment, you can wash your ears with soap and water, followed up by an application of topical medication. You can get it at your pharmacy or a local department store. Make sure that you wash your ears gently at least 2 times a day, so you do not aggravate your skin and cause more pimples. Just use a warm wash cloth with a little mild soap to wash the area where the pimple in the ear is located. If it is in the ear canal, do not pour water down the channel. If you have a pimple in your ear canal, you can mix a tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide and warm water and put in the ear canal. You can also put some hydrogen peroxide on a cotton ball and clean the area where the pimple is. Salty.